All right, this calls for some social action. Fellowship Valley.
Okay.
Tina teaching my daughter
Come on, hit it.
how to crack a brick.
Oh, you can do better than that. Get
Use
mad.
both hands.
Yes.
I'm getting out of the way.
This is on-the-job training.
That's a girl.
Okay. Well, I tell you what, you never all for the Lord's work.
Look at that.
Cracking bricks. Now this is really awesome what we're seeing here at Fellowship Valley. We're seeing answered prayer. Is we need to.
So weird.
We're training these young people how to crack bricks. Why do we need the bricks?
Yeah.
We need the bricks for this right here. See, we're going. Not me. They're gonna pour some concrete right here. And Mr. Wayne and his sweet wife are just working away. So we are trying to get this done, all for the Lord's work here at Fellowship Valley. Never a dull moment, though. I have to tell you that. So this is brick breaking 101. She's, I think, getting a little bit of her frustration out, but we're getting it done. So if you think about it, pray for us here as we go to work.
We got started.